was tweeting about those tax returns, his trip to Michigan, and also Snoop Dogg. Now, the president was talking about the rapper's music video release, in which you can see here from the still shot, he points a toy gun at a clown dressed like Trump and then pulls the trigger. Now, the president tweeted this morning saying, "Can you imagine what the outcry would be if Snoop Dogg, failing career and all, had aimed and fired the gun at President Obama?" He ended his tweet by saying jail time. Jason?
All right, new today, a World War II